Hello, this video presentation is going to focus on attaching a file to an assignment. So if you wanted to attach, for example, a spelling list to your spelling test, you could do that. And kids would have access to this via their login at home if they wanted to practice the spelling words. Or if you wanted to attach a study guide to a test, or just a simple homework assignment. All of those can be attached to any assignment, and they will show on your calendar, anybody you share with in their calendar, as well as on the student calendar when they log in from home. So to create an assignment, we know there are really three ways from the home page to do that. Two of those involve going to the assignment page first. You can go to the assignment page by using the black grade buttons that correspond to the subjects, or you can go to the grade icon and pick a subject. Or the way that I'm going to use is simply say I want to create this assignment in science on a 822. I can use the white plus symbol here, and that will take me right to 822 and science. Like any other assignment, I need to select a type. So I'm going to make this a formative type. This is going to be a unit science test. And I'm going to put in the description just for fun that I'm going to attach a study guide, which is what I'm going to simulate doing here. So now that I've done that, I assign, let's say I say my test is worth 100 points. I'm pretty much ready to save and close, with the exception of I want to attach that file. I can do that by using the Attach File button or the tab. However, if I select the button before I save the assignment, I'll get this message. So you can't attach a file to an assignment that hasn't been saved yet. Okay, so I'll go back to the assignment info, and I'm going to go ahead and save the assignment. You should see it show up right here. Now that it's saved, I can attach, and you'll see something very different when I go to the Attach File tab or button. In this case, I'll just use the tab. There are two steps to do this. You have to find the file, and you have to upload the file. So don't forget the second step. When I click Add File, it drops me into onto my computer where I can go find the file that I want to attach. In this case, I'm going to attach this one called Simple Attachment, and open. Now that kind of looks attached, and so some people might think they're done at this point, but you're not. You still have to go to upload. So make sure you take that last step. Then when this says done, you can press the apply button, which really just takes you back to this screen. If everything looks good, you can then save. Notice you don't have an attachment yet to your assignment. When you press save, the attachment will show up. Okay? I'm going to launch that attachment in just a moment, but before I close out on this video, I just want to make sure people are aware that we have a short video demonstration on adding categories, creating a share list. You just saw the video on attaching a file. And if you used Payson Reporter last year and you created assignments, you can actually copy old assignments into this year's assignment book without having to recreate those. Okay, so I'll go ahead and save and close this. And then just the last thing I want to do before I end this video is launch the attachment. And in this case, I just wrote, my attachment just says, it's got an open Word, and my attachment just says a simple attachment. But whatever you attached will show up here. And I'm sorry this is taking so long. Anyway, I do appreciate your watching the video. I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day. There's your attachment.